Okasyon, Miss Arlene, Zara. Oo, 350 lang, 450. Yung branded na 550 pala, sorry. Open for lock to, Miss Ai, Miss Jen, and Miss Grace Peralta. Pwede i-lock 450 ha. Lock 450 pag walang nag-lock kay Miss. Kay Miss ano na siya, Arlene Jara. Baba naman ng table ko. Ayun, siya pa rin, no? Siya nauna. Miss Arlene, yours na, 450 lock. Dipi ka na, Miss Arlene. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Something pink, sis. Anong size mo? Large XL to, may belt. May bulsa. Large to XL with belt, with pockets, both sides. Pwede to large ha. Pwede XL, pwede rin sa medium. Ganyan siya, o. Tinatali sa likod. Pa-code ako pink. Code pink, 350, pink. Dami kong pink, sis. Okay, eto pa, plain lang. Kung gusto mo plain lang, eto dapat yung susuot ko eh. Ganda nito. Very dress to love. Medium size, madam. Okay, medium size. Code ako dito ng seller. Open yan ha, ganyan siya oh. Mine seller, pa-code ako seller, 350. May belt po yan puti. Wale, madam. Okay, pink. Miss Sheila Lawig. Pa-down payment, Ma'am Sheila. 350 lang to, ha. Okay, 350. Down payment nyo, ma'am. At least 500. 2 to 3 items. Auto-deduct po sa invoice later after the live. Okay? Next natin. Madami, meron ako ditong Tory Burch. Ganda. Authentic Tory Burch to, mga sis, ha. Okay, pa-polo dress siya. Pa-polo dress, mga sis. Andito yung hashtag niya. Wait lang. Saan? Saan ang hashtag? Ayun. Yung hashtag, sis, may spare button na Tory Burch. Tory Burch, spare button. Ayan yung serial number, ha. Okay, ang ganda, sis. Ayan, oh. Linen to na polo dress, ha. Okay, linen na polo dress. Size nito, madam ko, medium to large. With pocket both sides. Pa 3/4 siya, ha. Pa 3/4 yung sleeves. Ang ganda, madam. Okay, 550 lang din to, ha. Pa-code ako dito ng original, 550. Original, 550. Large to XL. Medium to eh. Ito sis, large XL, may tali. Padal dress with tali. Large XL, padal dress with tali. Ganyan siya. Garterize and then button down. Ganda, madam. Code ako dito, Apple, 350. Apple, 350. Madam, 350 all items po, ha. Premium natin, premium handpick, 350 each. Okay, madam, medium size. Medium large. Doll dress, may tali to, ha. Pa-doll dress siya, medium to large. Button down. Puff sleeves. Garterized sleeves. Mine, doll. Code is doll, 350 lang. Medium large. Doll, 350. Code doll, 350. Next, ganda. Oh, madam, ganda. Okay, madam, apakaganda nito. Pang 550 to. Large to, madam ko, with belt. Okay, large size with belt. Tory Burch. Miss Jessa, ano yan? Jeza Morta, 650 lakh. Pa-down payment, CC. DPC's now na, ilala sa invoice later after live, ha? Okay, Miss Jessa, DP ka na, madam ko. Lakh 650 lang yan. Sis, napakaganda. Large to, ha, with side pockets. Actually, pwede to hanggang XL. Oo, madam. Large XL siya. Oh, maluwag. Tapos sis, ibebelt mo lang, ha. Pwede siyang masikipan. Large to XL. Ganda nito, madam. Mine maganda, 550. Code maganda, 550. Doll dress, mine mo yon, Miss Mayan. Miss Mayan, mine doll, 350 po. Mine doll, 350. Medium to large to sis, may tali. Medium large, may tali. Mine doll, 550 po. Ay, 350, sorry.
Jonah.